Hey seniors, this is your name with critical information about your finances that you won't want to miss. Today, we're diving deep into government benefits and payment programs that many retirees don't even know they qualify for. Did you know that in the past few years, millions of seniors missed out on billions in unclaimed benefits simply because they didn't know how to access them? From tax credits to Social Security optimization strategies, we'll explore proven ways to maximize your retirement income. I've spent countless hours researching the latest updates from the IRS, Social Security Administration, and financial experts to bring you accurate, up-to-date information about benefits you might be eligible for. We'll cover lesser-known deductions, credits, and programs specifically designed for seniors aged 65 and above. Plus, I'll share real success stories of retirees who successfully claimed additional benefits they never knew existed. In this video, you'll discover how to check if you're owed money from previous tax years, secret tax advantages exclusively for seniors, important deadlines you need to know about, step-by-step guidance on checking your eligibility, common mistakes to avoid when claiming benefits. This isn't just another financial video. It's your guide to potentially thousands in extra income you might be entitled to. Don't let another dollar slip through your fingers because of confusing paperwork or overwhelming processes. If you want to stay informed about your financial rights and opportunities, hit that like button and subscribe to get notified about my weekly updates on senior benefits and financial strategies. Let's dive in and make sure you're not leaving any money on the table. Now, before we get into the specific details, I want to share something important with you. Many of you have been reaching out through the comments, telling me how overwhelming it can be to navigate the complex world of senior benefits and government programs. I hear you, and that's exactly why I created this comprehensive guide. Let's start with understanding why staying informed about potential benefits is more crucial than ever. With inflation affecting everything from groceries to medical expenses, every extra dollar counts. You've worked hard your entire life, and you deserve to know about every financial opportunity available to you. But here's the shocking truth. According to recent studies, over 60% of seniors are missing out on benefits they rightfully earned simply because of complicated application processes or lack of awareness. Speaking of awareness, let's address something that's been causing a lot of confusion lately. Many of you have probably seen headlines about various stimulus programs and government payments. While it's essential to stay informed about potential new programs, we need to be extremely careful about verifying information from reliable sources. I always recommend checking directly with the IRS website or consulting with a qualified tax professional before making any financial decisions. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: existing programs that you might already qualify for. Did you know that the IRS has a special tax credit specifically designed for seniors aged 65 and older? This credit can be worth several $100s, yet thousands of eligible seniors don't claim it each year. But here's what makes this even more interesting. This credit is separate from other benefits you might be receiving, like Social Security or pension payments. And speaking of Social Security, let's clear up some common misconceptions. Many seniors don't realize that their Social Security strategy can significantly impact their long-term financial health. I recently spoke with Martha, one of our viewers, who discovered she could increase her monthly benefits by nearly $300 just by optimizing when and how she claimed her benefits. Imagine what an extra $3,600 per year could mean for your retirement comfort. But here's where things get really interesting. And this is something that not many financial advisors talk about. There's a lesser known provision in the tax code that allows seniors to make catch-up contributions to their retirement accounts, even after they've started receiving Social Security benefits. This means you might have an opportunity to boost your retirement savings while potentially reducing your current tax burden. Let's dive deeper into property tax relief programs, because this is where many seniors leave money on the table. Almost every state offers some form of property tax relief for seniors, but the requirements and benefits vary significantly. For example, in some states, seniors can freeze their property tax rates, protecting them from future increases. In others, they might qualify for significant reductions based on age and income levels. The key is knowing what's available in your specific area and how to apply. Healthcare costs are another area where knowledge can literally save you thousands. Many seniors don't realize that Medicare has several lesser known benefits that could significantly reduce their out-of-pocket expenses. For instance, did you know that Medicare might cover in-home care services under certain conditions? Or that there are programs to help pay for prescription drugs that many eligible seniors never apply for? Here's something that recently changed and could affect many of you watching. The income thresholds for various senior benefit programs are regularly adjusted for inflation. This means that even if you checked your eligibility a year or two ago and didn't qualify, you might be eligible now. It's worth reviewing your status annually to ensure you're not missing out on any new opportunities. Let me share another success story from our community. Bob, a retired teacher from Ohio, thought he was maximizing all his benefits until he discovered 3 different programs he qualified for but hadn't applied to. After going through the application process, he now receives an additional $450 monthly in combined benefits. That's an extra $5,400 per year that he was entitled to all along. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: local and state specific programs. While we often focus on federal benefits, there's a whole world of local assistance programs designed specifically for seniors. These can include everything from utility bill assistance to free transportation services. The challenge is that these programs often have limited publicity and funding, so knowing about them early and applying promptly can make a huge difference. One area that's particularly important to understand is how different benefits interact with each other. Sometimes qualifying for one program might affect your eligibility for another. This is why it's crucial to look at your benefit strategy holistically. For example, some seniors might find that timing their retirement account withdrawals strategically can help them qualify for other assistance programs while minimizing their tax burden. Let's also address a concern many of you have expressed in the comments: scams targeting seniors. Unfortunately, whenever there are legitimate benefit programs, there are also scammers trying to take advantage. Here's what you need to know: legitimate government agencies will never call you asking for payment to access benefits. They won't ask for your full social security number over the phone, and they certainly won't request payment through gift cards or wire transfers. If someone contacts you claiming to be from a government agency, always verify independently by calling the official number listed on the agency's website. Another aspect that's worth discussing is the importance of keeping thorough records. When applying for benefits, having organized documentation can significantly speed up the process. This includes recent tax returns, social security statements, medical bills, and proof of address. I recommend creating a simple filing system, either physical or digital, where you keep all these documents easily accessible. Here's something exciting that many seniors don't realize: there are numerous educational opportunities available specifically for older adults. Many colleges and universities offer free or heavily discounted courses for seniors. While this might not seem directly related to financial benefits, continuing education can open doors to new income opportunities or hobbies that could generate additional revenue. I also want to talk about the importance of regular benefit reviews. Your circumstances might change, and so do program requirements. What wasn't available to you last year might be accessible now. I recommend setting aside time every 6 months to review your benefits and search for new opportunities. Mark it on your calendar, just like you would a doctor's appointment. It's equally important for your financial health. Let's discuss something that's often overlooked: the role of community organizations in accessing benefits. Local senior centers, religious organizations, and community action agencies often have trained staff who can help you navigate complex application processes. Many offer free assistance and can even help you discover programs you didn't know existed. Don't hesitate to reach out to these resources. That's exactly what they're there for. Transportation benefits are another area where many seniors leave money on the table. Besides well-known programs like senior bus passes, there are often specialized transportation services available for medical appointments, shopping, and social activities. These services can save you hundreds of dollars monthly while helping maintain your independence. Now, let's address a question many of you have asked about: combining different types of benefits. It's entirely possible, and often advantageous, to receive multiple forms of assistance simultaneously. The key is understanding which programs are compatible and how to apply for them in the right order. This is where professional assistance can be invaluable. Consider consulting with a benefits counselor or financial advisor who specializes in senior services. Remember, accessing these benefits isn't just about improving your financial situation. It's about maintaining your dignity and independence. You've contributed to society throughout your working years, and these programs are designed to ensure you can enjoy a comfortable retirement. Don't let pride or complicated paperwork prevent you from claiming what you've earned. Looking ahead, it's important to stay informed about potential changes to benefit programs. Policy changes can create new opportunities or modify existing ones. While we can't predict exactly what changes might come, staying informed and connected to reliable information sources is crucial. That's one of the reasons I create these videos, to help you stay up to date with the latest information that could affect your financial well-being.